So, what about extended fasting? Talk about any time that
Mm.
you've done some extended fasting
Mhm.
and how long have you gone and some things that have helped you?
So the longest I've gone is 5 days with water fasting. And I think it's something that we all need to tap into, and it's unique for each individual. So my constitution from an Ayurvedic medicine perspective is very vata. So I get into ketosis very quickly. And fasting for me, I get the same benefits after 2 to 3 days that I would after a 5 day water fast. And I also figured out how
So,
that
why do you
influences.
think that is?
So I think just how the body is able to metabolize quicker and how I'm able to adapt quicker from a glucose burning into a ketone burning state. So I can get into it a lot quicker. And because I've been practicing intermittent fasting for so long too, so I'm sure that's influencing big pieces of that. But
Mhm.
somebody with a different constitution, it may take them a little bit longer to get into that ketotic state or into autophagy than it would for me. And hormonally speaking, the way that my body works, I'm good with doing partial fast, which is your window's about 2 to 4 hours, and then doing a couple of days of water fast. And I get my autophagy rates really high just doing that. So the extended, I find with water, it's not only good for your physical body, but your mental, emotional body and your spiritual body too, because you're really tapping into a lot of different layers because we're not distracting ourselves with food anymore. We're really tuning into like the healing potential of the body, like the innate healing that we have within us.